Indoor plants can significantly improve air quality by filtering pollutants and allergens. Here are 15 of the best indoor plants for allergies and tips on how to care for them. 1. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. Care. Thrives in bright, indirect light, water when the soil is dry to the touch. Prune dead leaves to encourage new. 2. Peace lily Spathiphyllum. Care. Prefers low to moderate light. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mist the leaves to increase humidity. 3. Aloe vera albarbadensis. Care. Needs bright, indirect light, water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. 4. Boston fern Nephrolepis exaltata. Care. Requires high humidity and indirect light. Keep the soil moist and mist regularly to prevent the fronds from drying out. 5. English ivy Hedera helix. Care. Prefers bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist and provide good drainage. Regularly mist the leaves. 6. Erica pomdipsis lutescens. Care. Needs bright, indirect light. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Mist the leaves to maintain humidity. 7. Rubber plant Ficus elastica. Care. Thrives in bright, indirect light. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Wet the leaves to remove dust. 8. Dracaena. Care. Prefers bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Mist the leaves to increase humidity. 9. Snake plant Sansevieria trifasciata. Care. Can tolerate low light. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. 10. Bamboo palm Chamaedorea saffrezi. Care. Needs bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist and mist regularly to maintain humidity. 11. Golden Pothos epipremnum aureum. Care. Thrives in low to bright, indirect light. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Prune to control growth. 13. Chinese evergreen aglaonema. Care. Can tolerate low light. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Wipe leaves to remove dust. 14. Weeping fig. Care. Needs bright, indirect light. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature changes. 15. Gerbera daisy. Care. Requires bright, indirect light. Keep the soil consistently moist. Provide good air circulation to prevent mildew.